आज हामी चाहिँ है कास्ता बिस्ता गरेर आएको छौँ विथ माई फ्यामिली. So guys, hope you enjoy my videos, my vlog with my sister. Introducing me. As usual, my Shomisha Pakali and my sister. Say hi.
Hello.
So they are my family. Actually, we don't know the right destination. Sorry, right destination भन्दा पनि हामीलाई exactly the way थाहा छैन हैन. तर we guys are searching and finding it on the Google. So they are my squads. They are trying to make me and my squad so happy.
Hi guys.
Say hi. Say hi.
Kasta Vista जाने हो guys. सँगै exam हामी पनि. आउनुस् मधुरा लगेर जान्छ.
So she's my sister from another mother.
From another mother, connected by blood, connected by heart.
Hi. He's my sweet and very happy brother. Oh. She is my sister. So, मेरो प्रिय प्राण दिदीले ल say hi. एक एक गरेर आफ्नो इन्ट्रोडक्सन दिदिनु मेरो च्यानलमा. प्लिज गाइज डु लाइक शेयर एन्ड सब्स्क्राइब माइ च्यानल. ल इन्ट्रोड्युस योरसेल्फ मिस आचल भन्ने कि इन्ट्रोड्युस गर्ने हजुर. हेलो.
अब त्यो एकैछिन खम्छ गरेर हुन्न के.
ल say hi. Say hi. So please guys, you guys are only the responsible of my YouTube channel. I have something in my camera that is plus point हैन. मेरो यो Samsung मा चाहिँ एउटा GoPro वाला स्टाइलले पनि उ हुन्छ. हजुर ए ल sorry. Please don't say like this in my vlog. Stop वाला. ल viral.
भाइरल बनाइदिनु गाइस हामीलाई प्लिज गाइस. प्लिज गाइस. त्यो इन्डियाको देखाइदिन्छ त. अनि एउटाले कमेन्ट गर्छ इन्डियाको नम्बर प्लेट छ है त्यहाँ.
So guys, यो बाटोहरू चाहिँ है हेर्दाखेरि म्याक्सिमम इट म्याचेस लाइक हाम्रो गाउँ जस्तो छ हैन. तर इन एभ्री त्यो हुन्छ नि जुन पनि we can't judge good things by its little bad things. So it's a long way, so it will take a time, but after it we'll find a good way for our Saturday. Hazar jungle, man versus wild. Man versus wild हो लास्टमा सब जङ्गली बारामा. हामी अहिले बर्दियाको कुञ्जमा आएका छौँ. उता हेर्नु बाघ.
होइन स्कुटीमा पो एउटा केटी हेर्नु भयो ल भाइ बाघवाला प्रिन्ट त उसको ब्याग रहेछ. म त झुक्किएँ.
So guys, अब हामी चाहिँ कास्ता बिस्ताको नजिकै पुगिसकेको छौँ. After so much struggle, we are on the way to Kasta Vista. It's totally a new experience for us, for me, for everyone, for my squad. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching my videos. So let's see the remaining ones in my family. I'm going to show you guys.
आफूले गर्नु बिर्सेको.
Thank you for this lollipop. दाजु खोइ हजुरलाई किन नखाने मजा आउँदैन नि. ए ल मैले हजुरहरूलाई गाइस चुइगम भनेको थिएँ. हियर इट इज. बुकैमा पढिदिरहेको फेरि
ललिपप यसरी खाँदा कस्तो होला
ट्राई इट गाइज है प्लिज अनि त्यसपछि मलाई प्लिज कमेन्ट गरिदिनु होला मेरो च्यानलमा
च्यानलको नाम के हो
यो रोम्सा भ्लग एन्ड कभर्स
बनाउनु भएको
होइन दाजु आई हेभ मेरो यु क्यान सी इट इन माई बायो उसमा क्या टिकटकको भाइ केही छैन म चलाउँदैन अरू वाट्सएप बाइक सो इट इज अ ब्युटिफुल प्लेस जसरी सामान्य मान्छेहरूले यहाँ आफ्नो जीवनयापन गर्नको लागि यस दिस इज द बेस्ट अप्सन लड्लो है लड That's not AR vlog.
It's Rumsa only?
Yeah.
Okay, Rumsa is single now.
Hopefully, I will be very mingle in the next week.
Oh, yes.
Week, sorry, next year.
Okay.
So I don't know what's going on with my brother. जल्ला गयो आमा गाइस अब चाहिँ फाइनली हामी यति धेरै हिँडिसकेपछि वी आर अन द वे नियर बाई कासा विस्ता सो गाइज प्लिज हाम्रो भिडियोलाई फेरि पनि तपाईँलाई म भन्न चाहन्छु फेरि रिक्वेस्ट पनि गर्न चाहन्छु कि मेरो भिडियोलाई तपाईँ लाइक सेयर एन्ड सब्सक्राइब गरिदिनु होला गाइज सो दे आर भेरी टायर्ड नट ओन्ली दे I think they are Nikisa and Guras Nani, so they are having fun. धेरै हिँडिसकेपछि चाहिँ हामी एउटा फाइनली अलिअलि त्यो हामी आफ्नो डेस्टिनेसनमा पुग्न लाग्यो सो वी गाइज आर सो ह्याप्पी सो मी योर ह्याप्पिनेस सो शेयरिङ समथिङ इज लाइक शेयरिङ एभ्रिथिङ सो मेरो दाइले हामी सबैलाई चुइम भएको छ Kusi wants to say you, Nikisa wants to say you sorry, so please say sorry.
Paru Sharma, okay? This is Paru Sharma. Nikisa is here, guys. Nikisa? Hello.
Hello Trishana, how are you?
I'm fine.
How's your business going on?
खतरा
So what do you bring for us?
हामीसँग चाहिँ अहिले चाहिँ घन्टी पनि आएको छ घन्टी पूजा गर्न
So I think this Trishana is so lobby, so she didn't bring anything from US. So I hope we are going to make her happy in this Nepal.
Guys, it's
So guys,
over here. Please focus.
okay, focus her and follow her on TikTok and please like, share and subscribe her TikTok channel. And equally I want to thank my brother. Where is? Yes, there is love. Kasta Vista आइसकेको छु. It's only 50 meters. So guys, how you feeling? Say chill. Take a chill pill. La. Anyways, let's stay tuned, guys. अब अलिकता म थाकिरहेको छु, so I can't hold this camera anymore. So lazy us. Finally, guys, हामी चाहिँ we reached our destination. It's Akasa Vista. So Gunu, how you feel? How you feeling? Blessed.
We can go and eat something because I'm craving, guys.
Anyways, it's a very fun and it's very beautiful place. Yes. So finally, this is our destination where you can have a very fun, too much fun, guys. This is the entrance. Move on, guys. There's many more things. So it's already packed, so हामीले अलिकति वेट गर्नुपर्छ गाइस. भोगटे खानु पर्ने. बस्नु चाहदैन. खुसी.
अनि के रे 560434
I just want to request you all, guys, please don't feel like home. Restaurant is always restaurant.
Okay. I think it's Jerry got dialogue.
Yeah, exactly. Let's cook. That's the kitchen. Guys, something to eat. It's a beautiful place. So if you want to swim, you can go there. Hey, so bad timing. आज भोलि स्विमिङ पुलमा पानी नै नरहेछ.
वर्षा भएको छैन नि त गाइस, त्यो भएर अलिकति खडेरी.
Anyways, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. No more definition.
Take your time.
टल्किँदैछ. गयो नि फुत्क्यो नि. यस्तै छ म आज.
See the view. Look at the view, guys.
I like the view.
Yes.
You can see a very good view. And almost I want to see and suggest everyone to have anything you want to.
यो एन्टिक बाइक राखेर फोटोको लागि.
यति धेरै कुर्दा कुर्दै हामीले ठाउँ पाएको छौँ
हेरौँ न गाइस, हेर हामी यहाँ रमाइलो गरेका छौँ गाइस है, ह्याभिङ फन सबैजना. यो चाहिँ हाम्रो मिरर भन्दा नि विन्डो सेल्फी हो गाइस. आउनु गाइस सबैजना, आउनु गाइस, हेर्नु गाइस. This is the place where we are going to like हुन्छ नि sit and have fun. This is fun guys. This one. मम्मी आउनुहोस्.
के रे मैले बुझेन.
भिडियो नि हो.
ल फाइनली हामीले है यति धेरै कुरेर हामीले ठाउँ पाएँ बस्नलाई. सो गाइज, हाउ यु फिलिङ? फिल लाइक होम इज नट माई स्लोगन है. सुन मम्मी भन्ने क्या अस्ति घरमा. सुन मम्मी भने ए पापा होइन. It's very boring. एउटा गर्न आइज and we are like a wild gum bashful kind.
फेरि वेट गर्ने बेला चिसो हुन्छ
Lol, anyways, carry on, guys. So I'm gonna show you my sister's reaction. How is it? Okay, I'm gazab ke.
Someone told me long ago there's a God before this world. I know. बनिया अपना पैगंबर बनिया तुम साथ समंदर फिर भी सूखा मन के अंदर क्यों रह गया एक मीरा आए जा रे फकीरा आए जा आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परेशानियां एक पीरा आने जा एक फकीरा आने जा
Very late delivery system. Yeah, the worst part of Casa Vista is so late delivery. Sorry, delivery but I'm order एकदम late out. So anyways, guys, we guys are having fun here with live music and the beautiful weather and the place. So अब हामी चाहिँ finally guys we are moving to our home. Finally we ended with Casa Vista. Yo man, it's beautiful place. So how was the experience? Talking about Casa Vista, it was quite interesting. Not only interesting, we had lots of fun. So I suggest everyone who is interested to have a fun weekend, anything else, you can go to Casa Vista. Very beautiful place for the one who loves nature. And the worst point I think about the Casa Vista is the service was too late. So I was so foodie, I almost loved every food to have ekachoti. So it was disappointing with that, but if you come to and best about it, nature, you love it. So guys, thank you for watching my vlog.
Guys, say bye to YouTube. See you soon, guys.